Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The best gentle face wash is probably one of the most crucial steps in managing rosacea. This video dives deep into the world of face washes, specifically designed to soothe and cleanse sensitive skin prone to redness and irritation. We'll explore what ingredients to look for, what to avoid, and how to choose a face wash that will leave your skin feeling clean, calm, and comfortable, rather than dry and inflamed. Let's find the perfect face wash for you. Number 5. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Face Cleanser. Are you looking for a cleanser that's gentle yet effective? This product is specially formulated for dry to normal and sensitive skin. It helps remove impurities without disrupting your skin's natural barrier. This cleanser is enriched with niacinamide and ceramides. These ingredients work together to hydrate and soothe your skin. It leaves your skin feeling clean, comfortable, and refreshed. Use it daily as part of your skincare routine. It is designed to be gentle enough for everyday use. It will help maintain your skin's natural moisture balance. This product has been tested on sensitive skin. It is fragrance-free, minimizing the risk of irritation. You can trust it to cleanse your skin without causing any discomfort. The formula is completely fragrance-free. This makes it ideal for those with sensitive skin or allergies. It provides a clean and refreshing experience without any added scents. What we like. This cleanser's hydrating formula is perfect for those with dry or sensitive skin. It gently cleanses while replenishing essential moisture. If you are looking for a face wash that won't strip your skin, this is a great choice. What people say. It is gentle, does not dry out your skin, and helps erase sun damage. This fragrance-free, oil-free cleanser contains niacinamide and ceramides, which help soothe and strengthen the skin's natural barrier. Its creamy texture lathers gently, effectively removing dirt and makeup without stripping moisture. Number 4. Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Hydrating Cleanser. Introducing Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Hydrating Cleanser. This cleanser is designed for sensitive skin, providing a gentle yet effective cleanse. Its non-foaming formula washes away impurities without overdrying. It effectively removes excess oil, dirt, and makeup, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. Developed by dermatologists, this cleanser is suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. It is hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic, so it won't clog pores. This cleanser is free of dyes, soaps, fragrances, and parabens. It is formulated with minimal ingredients to ensure it's gentle on your skin. With its unique polyglycerin formula, it cleanses and hydrates your skin. Incorporate it into your daily skincare routine for a naturally soft and moisturized feel. What we like. This non-foaming cleanser is exceptionally gentle, making it ideal for sensitive skin. It effectively removes impurities without causing dryness or irritation. If you have sensitive skin that reacts to many products, you should consider this. What people say. This cleanser is fantastic. It starts as a creamy texture and turns into a soft, gentle foam that feels so nice on the skin. It cleanses thoroughly without making my face feel tight or dry. I have sensitive skin and this product didn't cause any irritation or redness, which is rare for me. It even removes light makeup really well. This cleanser is effective yet gentle enough to use every day. Works well on sensitive skin and doesn't have a strong perfumey scent. Number 3. Cetaphil Redness Relieving Foaming Face Wash. Introducing Cetaphil Redness Relieving Foaming Face Washington. This product is designed to gently cleanse and calm sensitive skin. It effectively removes impurities without causing dryness. This foaming face wash cleanses your skin without stripping away its natural moisture. It washes away dirt, impurities, and makeup, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and clean. Specifically formulated for sensitive, redness-prone skin, it gently relieves dryness. Using this product will leave your skin feeling soft and clean, providing a soothing experience. The formula is non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores. It instantly forms a rich foam that won't overdry the skin. It is a great choice for daily use. Cetaphil products are known for being effective yet non-irritating. This face wash is designed with sensitive skin in mind. You can trust it to be gentle and effective. What we like. The foaming formula of this cleanser is designed to soothe redness-prone skin. It gently cleanses without overdrying or clogging pores. If you like a face wash that calms and cleanses, this one is for you. What people say. This face wash is specifically designed for rosacea. It effectively cleanses the skin without causing irritation. The formula is gentle and soothing, reducing redness. Number 2. Era Organics Manuka Honey Face Wash. This gentle cleanser is designed specifically for sensitive skin. It helps to balance, nourish, and hydrate your skin, leaving it feeling soft and happy. The product contains medical-grade Manuka honey and Australian sehami extract. These ingredients work together to promote recovery and soothe distressed skin, leading to a calmer complexion. With hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, and vegetable glycerin, this face wash provides deep hydration. It moisturizes without clogging pores, offering age-defying benefits without overdrying. Harsh products can damage your skin's barrier. This sulfate-free cleanser removes impurities while building a foundation for long-term skin health and beauty. It's gentle enough for daily use, yet powerful enough to deliver visible results. The product is made in the USA with sustainably sourced and ethically harvested natural and organic ingredients. What we like. Infused with Manuka honey, this cleanser offers a unique blend of soothing and moisturizing properties. It gently cleanses while supporting the skin's natural barrier. If you are looking for a face wash that nourishes and hydrates, you should consider this. What people say. It cleans and moisturizes in one treatment. Cleans with no tight feeling, not greasy, neutralizes the skin's pH, also feeds and nourishes my skin. Since using this face wash I have now beautiful clear skin, it feels moisturized and soft and no breakouts. Number 1. Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Redness Relief Cleanser. This is the Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Redness Relief Foaming Cleanser. It's designed to gently cleanse your face. It helps reduce the appearance of redness. The cleanser features a skin-soothing formula. It effectively removes dirt, oil, and makeup. This leaves your skin feeling healthy and refreshed. It contains calming feverfew. This ingredient helps visibly reduce redness. It also calms irritated, sensitive skin. This daily face wash is hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic. It's free of fragrances, soaps, oils, parabens, phthalates, and dyes. It's gentle enough for daily use. Pump the cleanser into your hand or washcloth. Massage the lather over your wet face, then rinse and pat dry. Use it morning and night for best results. From a dermatologist-recommended brand for over 70 years. This cleanser is a perfect addition to your daily skincare routine. It helps reduce the look of redness. What we like. This foaming cleanser is specifically designed to reduce the appearance of redness. It gently removes impurities while calming irritated skin. If you like a face wash that visibly reduces redness, this is a great option. What people say. Very gentle. Cleans my face nicely and no breakout. It does not help with redness, which is advertised on the bottle, but does not give me the rosacea flare-up I get with most products. This is the only face wash I've ever used that doesn't leave my face feeling dried out and needing to apply face cream after. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.